Daisy from the YouTube channel Beauty's Big Sister. Now today I'm creating this classic glam look but using all Avon products. Seriously, such a huge fan of Avon right now. I'm loving their products, and all of these products come in a set so you can buy the whole look together. There are 4 different sets to choose from. I've gone for the Vintage Vixen look, which is this red lip and the beautiful shimmery bronze eye. But each set comes with 4 Avon products. So you've got an eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, mascara, and also a liquid eyeliner as well. I will pop the link below for you, so if you do want to check out the set, it's only £15 and it's worth £32. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, my beauties, I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm taking my eyeshadow palette that I've got in the kit, which is the MAC Epic Intense eyeshadow mini palette in Art of the Nudes. This is what it looks like. You've got 4 gorgeous shades in this palette, which I love. What I love most about these shades is they've got a little bit of sparkle, so it's perfect for the party season, for a little bit of sparkle and glam. These are shades that you can just go to no matter what occasion, no matter what look you're going for. It's just a classic nude palette. So I'm first off going to start with this shade right here, and I'm going to pop that all over my eyelid. Hopefully that is picking up on camera the shimmer that's got in that shadow. It's quite subtle, which I really like, so it's just a little bit of a glow that it gives to the eye. Even just for like day to day, this is such a beautiful shade to wear. So I'm just washing that all over the eye. I always find that going really gently with your brush just works wonders. So I'm really softly touching my eyelid and just blending that shade out for like a washed out effect. It's just such a beautiful soft brown. This kind of shade is just gonna look so good no matter what eye color you've got, but I love it against my brown eyes. And just taking that underneath the eye as well. What has everybody been up to? Please let me know in the comments below. Have you finished your Christmas shopping? That is the question. If you haven't, this kit is actually an amazing gift to give someone because it's like a whole look in one kit. I'm tempted just to leave it like that because it looks so nice, but we're gonna deepen things up. Going into this shade right here, which is your deep brown in the palette, and I'm gonna take that on the outer corner right here, and then we're working that into the crease. Now with this, a more detailed brush is a lot more easier to use than a fluffy, so you can place that product right there, and then you can use more of a fluffy brush just to blend that shade out in that crease. Then after that, I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush, so just make sure that it's got no product on it, and then you can just really blend out that color. One thing that I miss from being freelance and working for myself is that I don't have a Christmas work party, which is quite sad. But this would be the perfect look for a Christmas party, because you could just go from your desk makeup, so your base makeup that I had on when I started this video, and then you can just glam it up for after work. Again, just going into that deeper shade and popping that on the lower lash line. Now that we've blended that out, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. My favorite shade in this palette is a beautiful gold, and I'm just gonna take my fingers to apply this. It's the best way to get a neat, precise spotlight to the eye. So I'm gonna pop this in the center of the eye. Look at that. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Actually, I am gonna take that down here as well to the inner corner of the eye. It's so perfect for Christmas. The pigment you can see is just amazing. Like, that's what I love about Avon products, is that they're really affordable, but the quality is seriously amazing. These shadows are super silky and soft. The payoff is amazing. Here as well, on the inner corner underneath. Now I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Big Bold Graphic Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. I've got it in black, and you can see that it's like a slanted nib, which is so handy if you do struggle a little bit with applying your liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna take this nib and carve out the flick right here. You can see that took me like 2 seconds to do. It's so easy. Just taking it from the center of the eyelid and bringing that up to meet that flick, filling that in, and then I can start from the inner corner. I'm going to fill this in and then meet the line in the middle. I feel like if you just take your time with the liquid eyeliner, it's all gonna go to plan, and this is really, really easy to do. It kind of just helps guide you when you're doing your liquid eyeliner, because you've got the slant to it, is guiding you in the right direction. I love how a liquid eyeliner just elongates your eyes so much. Now that I've done my eyeshadow and my liner, I don't even need to use setting spray with this, which is amazing because the liner is fade proof and the shadow is crease proof, which is just a godsend. Then onto my favorite bit, I'm going to take the Avon True Ultra Volume Lash Magnifying Mascara. Just wait until you see the wand and the brush on this. It's super jumbo size and it seriously pushes up your lashes. Just like to wiggle the wand through my lashes like this, it's just lifting them up. When I'm in a rush or if I'm going to a party, the last thing I want to be doing is fiddling about with false eyelashes, so a good mascara is always needed. I love mascaras that no matter how much you apply, it just doesn't clump. Like this is separating my lashes so well and it's not clumping at all. You'll see I do like to go under and above the lashes. I just feel like this coats the lashes in the best way, and then of course on the lower lashes as well. And then something that I always have to have in my Christmas party handbag is a red lipstick. Like you cannot go wrong with a red lipstick throughout Christmas, so I'm going to use this one, which is the Avon True Colour Lipstick in Red 2000. Look at that pigment. Like red is just my go-to. It picks me up and just instantly adds the glam factor. What I like to do before a night out with my lipstick is just blot it down just with a little bit of tissue. How cute is that? And then reapply to give it that extra longevity. How beautiful is this colour red? It's like an orangey red. You can see the shine in lipstick as well. Like I love lipsticks that feel creamy and glossy on the lips. It's so comfortable to wear. This is my completed Vintage Vixen makeup look. So easy to create, so easy to do. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and I will see you soon. Bye!